Hello, it's Monday. It's October 18. Yes. It's a beautiful, sunshiny autumn day here in New York. And I'm on my way to Port Jefferson to meet with my good friend, Siobhan, one of the most amazing people I know. Very talented stylist and event planner. And I've known her for 6 years. We used to work together. I just love and adore her. And we usually meet every year. And we try to meet more than once. But this time it's been once a year because the last time I saw her was last summer out Cowfish Hampton's restaurant in Hampton Bays. And I'm really, really psyched to see her today. It's been so long. To catch up, yes, but also we have a reservation at a tea house, the only tea house that I know around these parts of Long Island. We have a reservation at 12:45, so it takes about an hour to get there, and it's 11:46. Darn it. It's a rat race. It's Monday. Let's crush our goals. I hope you have an excellent day, and I'm excited to share this little experience with you guys along with Siobhan, and I will see you in Port Jefferson. Hello, Port Jefferson. Siobhan is here! Woohoo! It's been so long. We are going to, what's it called again? The Secret Garden Tea House. Very exciting. Thank you. Look at that. It's like stepping into a dollhouse. It's a lot of stuff.
Hi, how you doing?
It's not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you're not. Oh, I was just reading this quote this morning.
Oh, that's our one.
What's your quote?
Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Played out.
The kids were giving up their friends to meet with us and have lunches.
That I've yet to try. It's just sitting in boxes. I have.
Let me try the almond sugar. And this is the cream of rye. Thank you very much. And then this is your honey.
Do you recommend honey with this or sugar?
That one, you know what? I don't usually put any sweetener in it. Maybe sugar or anything.
Thank you.
Yeah. My schedule just dips out in the
It is a black tea with notes of vanilla. A little plate. Thank you.
This looks amazing. And I've got the cream Earl Grey tea. See how that goes. So cute. I can't get over it. So perfect. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. I've never had tea like this. This is so smooth. I've never had cream Earl Grey. I've always had Earl Grey and I always put almond milk in it or oat milk. But this is a different level of Earl Grey tea. It's so smooth. And so, I don't know, je ne sais quoi. It was such a lovely experience. Tell us what you thought.
I thought it was a phenomenal experience. They have nice hats that you could try on while having a full afternoon tea service.
That's right. What did you have?
I had the vegetable panini that comes highly recommended, and then I had one of their black teas that I highly recommend as well.
Fleur de lis, right?
Fleur de lis, yes, that is exactly.
Anyways, if you're looking for a tea house experience, this is a place to go. We're in Port Jefferson, and that was such a lovely experience.
If you can't make it to London anytime soon, definitely come check this out.
Yeah. Yes, this was a marvelous, really, really cute little experience. And we're on to actually a pudding parlor that also serves crepes.
Yeah.
So let's go check it out.
We are getting rice pudding.
So this is kind of like a ice cream parlor, but instead of ice cream, it's
Rice pudding and crepes. And I think they put the rice pudding in the crepes.
Chiquita banana, fudge about it. Oh, forget about it. Forget about it, cheesecake. Peanut butter, kiss my coconut. Oh yeah. around town, the town of Port Jefferson. We decided to come to the Lighthouse. It's the old town filled Lighthouse, Port Jefferson, and it's windy. Super windy. But look at behind us, you have an idea of how windy it is. But this spot is absolutely gorgeous. Fun times in Port Jeff with Siobhan. Thank you, Siobhan, for joining me today on this little tea time adventure. It's always so tough saying goodbye to Siobhan because I don't know one else here again. I just love her. I just love that girl, that woman, I should say. And I feel so blessed to have been able to spend this time with her. You know, that's what it comes down to at the end of the day is who you spend your energy with in that day. So important. Anyways, I am about half hour away from home, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, fantabulous Monday evening. I will see you later.